so last night I got all those tools put up on the wall, and now I just have my Japanese handsaws and my squares to get up. You'll notice that this side's pretty bare over here, and the reason I did that is because I want to put my drill bits and my router bits up there. For a long time I've had them in boxes or in my toolbox, and that's just really inconvenient, especially with the new drill press right there. I think drill bits will be perfect right next to it. So why don't we get started on the mounts for the Japanese handsaws and the squares.